This video will show you how to create and call methods using C#. Navigate to week 7 and open the starting project for tutorial 6.1 by downloading this link. Save it, open the folder, extract the zip file, and then open the lights folder. In it there's another lights folder. Open the solution and ignore the warning. In here you will see that we have a form created already, which shows 2 pictures and a label. What we're going to do is we're going to move one of the pictures on top of the other picture so that they overlap, and we are going to move the buttons a little bit and the label that shows on as well, and we can resize the window a little bit as well. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to double click on the switch button, and we're going to add a couple of methods. The first method, these methods are going to be inside of my class for the form 1. The first method is going to be a private void turn light on, and in here what we're going to do is we're going to place the code that will be executed when the method is called. The first thing we're going to do is display the light on image by changing the visibility to true. We're going to similarly hide the light off image by changing its visibility to false. And we're going to change the text of the label so that it shows on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to write another method, and this method now is going to be called turn lights off. And here what we're going to do is we're going to praise the code to display the light off image by changing its visibility to true. We're going to hide the light on image by changing its visibility to false, and we're going to change the label so that it says off instead of on. And that is basically all that there is going to be inside of these 2 methods that we wrote. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to call these from my switch button when it's clicked, and we're going to do that by just checking to see if the light on picture box is visible, like so. Okay, so if the light on picture box is visible, we're going to turn it off, and otherwise what we're going to do is we're just going to turn it on. So every time we click the button, we're either going to be turning it off or turning it on. Let's check. Press the start button. And when we press switch light, it switches on. Switch light again, it switches off. And this is how you write and call methods.